guys, so we're going to package some soap orders. Someone ordered 7 soaps, so we're going to package that, and you're gonna come with me and package it with me. And if you like this bonnet, you can find it on my Etsy shop. I have it on sale, so if you like it, go and get a bonnet. I have different colors and other prints, so go check it out. I'll link the description below. I'll link the website below. All right, let's get to packaging. These are my French green clay and green clay soap. These are my turmeric soap, and these are my honey and turmeric soap. If you want to see how I made these soaps, you can go ahead and check out my other videos. I do need there's a cloth. Oh, I made it too short, but that's okay. It's gonna go all the way up. And then last but not least, So we're done. Alright, so this is the final look. It's not perfect, but I just wanted to wrap it so it's protected. And it's my honey, so it's 2, 2, and then 3. All together is 7. And we're gonna go ahead and use the USPS box to send them in. That's it. Thanks for watching. How many minutes it took me to do this box? Well, it didn't take me a lot of time, but I took the wrong box and it was too small. Now I have to do this box.